Welcome back. This is Chili Davidson back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is a channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about crypto. We also talk about credit. We also talk about business ventures that could generate you passive income. Okay, well, today we're going to talk about my top stocks. As you can see, I'm on my community board. Some of my top stocks today was Ford, up 2.96%. ChargePoint, up 8%. Microsoft, up 2.95%. And American Tower, which is a REIT, was up 2.78%. So those were some of my top stocks of the day. Now let's take a quick look at the Robinhood portfolio. Okay, the Robinhood portfolio today was up 2.72%. A lot of technology stocks did get into the rally. Let's quickly take a look at the news. Microsoft reportedly in talks to invest $10 billion in OpenAI. It is all about ChatGPT. Okay, so if you don't know about ChatGPT, look it up. It's an AI system that can basically create an essay for you. It can create software for you. It can make a lot of decisions based off the data is fed into the system. Okay, so that's ChatGPT. Microsoft invests $10 billion in OpenAI. Also, there was quite a few Chinese stocks that did rally today. China Resources Power rallied today. Top investor Nelson Peltz goes to war with Disney over the top executive team pay. Salesforce lays off its home base in San Francisco, numbers in the hundreds so far. And Walmart gains but lags the market. What you should know about Walmart. Okay, so that is on Yahoo Finance. Also, some of the outstanding stocks that did perform technology-wise was Amazon was up 5.86. Google was up 3.65. Also, as I mentioned earlier, ChargePoint was up 8%. Again, ChargePoint is one of the major EV drivers. They are the charging stations for Teslas, Ford, GM. So these are the charging stations. Now, right now, it's down from a high of $14 just about 3 or 4 months ago. It was trading as much as $14 back in November. Okay. So again, ChargePoint up today over 8%. Airbnb also was up 6.19%. Okay, some good stocks. Ford up 3%. Also, there's news about the Ford F-150 winning a couple awards. Okay, so that's good news for Ford's electric F-150. If you want to read the article, check it out on Barron's. All electric F-150 Lightning wins North America Truck of the Year. Okay, so that's the F-150. Ford shares up 3%. Now let's take a final look at my other portfolio. Okay, here we are. My other portfolio, we're up 2.48%. Tesla was up today for 3.65. Again, Ford Motor Company up almost 3%. And ChargePoint up over 8% on the day. Now, we did see Microsoft invest $10 billion in an OpenAI software package, very similar to ChatGPT. Okay, Microsoft was up 2.95%. Right behind it was American Towers up 2.78%. Again, American Tower is a REIT, so they do pay a dividend as well. This is a real estate investment trust. Also, Apple and Amazon, as I mentioned earlier, was up 5.84%. Some great opportunities in the technology space still, okay? But we're expecting CPI data to come out tomorrow. With that news, if inflation is found to be low, the market may rally again. But the Fed could come out and make a public announcement and then put the market back on a decline. Okay, so that could happen tomorrow. The market could go either way, could continue to rally, or if the Fed comes out and makes some negative comments about raising short-term interest rates. Okay, so let's see the top losers today. Top losers today was Okta, another cloud software. Authentication security was down 4.69%. A good dividend aristocrat, Verizon, was down 1.84%. Wendy's, one of my favorite burger joints, was down 1.82%. And SoFi has reached back into the $5 range. Okay, it's cooling off, only down 0.19%. So only a third of a fraction. Okay, look out for SoFi. They do report earnings at the end of the month, around January 30th. Okay, so take a look at some of these technology stocks. Since we do have the low inflation data possibly coming out tomorrow about 9 a.m., the market could rally early in the morning and then by the afternoon cool off. Okay, but for all my long-term investors, this probably won't affect you as much, considering you buy the dips and then considering your long-term 2 to 3 years. Now, if you're a trader and the market does rally in the morning, you could sell off very quickly. Okay, you could sell out of your position. But either way, tomorrow we may rally earlier, but by the afternoon we could sell off if the Fed comes out and speaks. Okay, so again, top stock of the day was Tesla, ChargePoint. Both of these, Tesla and ChargePoint, are both EV related. Charging stations, ChargePoint, and Tesla, one of the number one EV makers, was up 3.68. ChargePoint up over 8%. So again, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. And if you'd like to get started in your investment journey, please use the Robinhood link below. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Good night.